So if Claire scored 50% more than Tyler, Tyler would have scored 100% of his points. And then Claire scored 50% more, so she would be at 150%. So what we need to do is change that to a decimal, which is the same as, well, we don't want that type of equal sign, it's the same as 1.5. So in our equation, we should have one equation that gives us that 1.5, and one of them does. C equals 1.5 t. Now we need to figure out if there's any other equation that's going to give us that 1.5 t. So going down through the equations, we have c equals t plus 0.5. Well, that doesn't give it to us because that's not going to work. So that's no good. And then we also have c equals t plus 0.5 t. Well, that's the same as 1t plus 0.5 t. Hey, 1 plus 0.5, that does equal 1.5, so that one works. Here, I'll circle that one so we know that one works, and we'll circle that one works. Then we also have c equals t plus 50. Well, that's no good. We need 1.5, so we can put a line through that one. And then finally, the last one we have, c equals 1 plus 0.5 times t. Well, 1 plus 0.5, that equals 1.5 times t. So this one will work as well. So we actually have three here. We've got this one, and that one.